Hello, and I hope you're having a good day. My name is Muhammad Fadil Diaulhaq, and I am 14 years old. I'm an 8th grader from Indonesia, and I am excited to be participating in a global coding competition called the Codeavour 6.0. I'm competing in the first track, which is called the Innovation and Entrepreneurship. I also picked the Healthy and Well-being as my theme. Without further ado, allow me to introduce my project. But before that, there's something I need to tell you. Every day, parents need to be working, doing house chores, and etc. But the kiddos might be left without any supervision. They might play with dangerous objects, or worse, they might get harmed without the parents even knowing. Parents try their best to protect their children, but what if they are in another room? They are cooking, working, or else? Wouldn't it be great if we had an AI system that could detect danger and notify the parents? Wouldn't it be great if there's an AI system that could check the kiddo's condition? That's why I created KiddoGuardian. So, what is KiddoGuardian? KiddoGuardian is an AI-powered system that uses object detection, sound recognition, and real-time alerts to keep children safe. It can identify risky objects like knives or scissors, instant alerts where it sends notifications to the parents via home screen. It is also capable on helping parents manage their child's daily routine like meal times, nap times, or playtime safety checks. Now, before we start the demo, I've set this room as the baby room. As you can see, this is the set. Now, I will be placing some dangerous objects. The set is done. That's the camera, and this is the main screen. There are 3 dangerous objects, and because of a dangerous objects are detected, there is a beeping sound. It is also shown that 3 dangerous objects were detected. And through the live cam, sometimes the custom bounding box doesn't work. This is an example when the custom bounding box works. To counter this, we could enable the bounding box that is originally from the PictoBlocks. Now, when I remove the dangerous objects, the beeping sound stops, as what it is shown that there are 0 dangerous objects detected. Now, I'm about to play a baby crying sound.
The kiddo might be having a distressing voice.
I
I recommend to check the toddler now or use the soundboard to cheer up.
And for now, I'm about to explain to you how the project works. Starting off from this on-off button, when it is pressable and the mouse button and touching mouse pointer is through, it will make the sound and turn the system on and broadcast the on message. Turning the system on. Okay, and next, in the live cam, when the live cam was clicked, it will broadcast the live cam menu, so it will change the screen to the live cam section, and it will set the menu to 0. Next is the back button. Well, it is not menu, it will show itself, and when it is clicked,
it will set the menu to true, and it will revert everything back to the menu section. Next, the ask button. So when it is turned on, when you click the button, it will broadcast the asking message into the AI companion. And when the AI companion receives the message, it will ask about the question that the user wants to ask, and it will give out the answer. But here I put that the question, if the question is revolving around the toddler care, it will answer the question shortly. But if no, it will say that it's unable to answer the question. Yeah, because basically this button created to answer questions that revolving around toddler care. The next one is the schedule manager. As you can see here, there are two buttons, the add schedule and the reset schedule. In the add schedule, when you click it, it will ask for the activity name, then the hour of the activity, and the minute. And at this code, it will just determine the digit for the minute. For example, if you just enter a number below 10, like a number that only consists of one digit, it will add an extra zero. It will add an extra zero for it. For example, when you enter 4, it will be 04. Or else it will just keep the same. If you put 2 digits, and at this last line, it will join everything together and add it into the schedule. And at the reset schedule, when you click it, it will just delete everything the schedule. And at the AI companion, this code right here is the function that notifies the parents about the schedule. So when the list has at least one schedule in it, it will first item range or item 1 of schedule minute is the same as the current minute, which also applies to the hour. Then it will alert the parents that it is now the time for the current schedule. Or else, if it's not time yet, it will increase the range by 1. Or if the range is above the length of the schedule, it will just set the range back to 1. This will always loop and will eventually do the alert when it's already time. So because of this code, you can add as many schedules as you want. And this code is to get the confidence of class crying. When the kid is detected crying, it will make sure of it first by waiting for 1 second, and if it is true, it will alert the parents. And here is when the kid is detected crying, it will change the status from neutral to crying. And when it is not, it will change back to neutral.
I guess that's all from me for today. Thank you all for listening, and I hope you will have a good day.